Hey road trippers, we're in Monahans State Park in Utah, and we're just gonna go sand sledding for a little bit. Wanted to share this video with you.
Oh, there's a rock between.
A little bit rocky.
How are they not getting their feet hurt?
They are, but they're not whining about it. Oh! Much better, softer sand. Big old bumblebee. Come on, come on. I'm gonna have to say in the video, carry boards for small children. Nice flowers on the dune. What do you think?
It's so long. Long strides, long strides.
All the way, all the way.
Look at this. That's satisfying.
So what's cool about Coral Pink Sand Dunes is they have off-road recreation vehicles with your sandboarding and sand sledding. Go, 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 go.
There we go. You have to be at the end. Outside? Yeah, fine.
Pick up your trash, people. Please clean up your parks, people. Thank you. Yesterday we were sand sledding on the big hill right there. And I think we might try somewhere else. We have the sand sleds that you might have seen in our other video, Monahans Sandhills State Park. And I thought if I posted it, Great Sand Dunes National Park. And you can tell I'm out of breath because walking in the sand is difficult if you've never done it before. It's like on the beach, but up a hill. So also make sure you bring a lot of water. We're going out here and it's after 7 p.m. and it's still 97 degrees. So we packed a whole bunch of water.
We've already been through like a bottle.
We've already been through a bottle, yeah. Play it safe, pack extra water. Another thing you might consider while you're out on the dunes, and if it is hot, pick the shady side of the dune to slide down. That's where we're headed. Another tip is if you look up there, you'll see that when you come down the dune, if you're sledding or sandboarding, some areas are rockier than others, and I recommend not going on the rocky areas. You can mess up your board a little bit, scratch it up. Now if you're renting it, you might not care, but try to go down an area that's a little bit smoother than other areas. All right, so here we are. It's a little shaded, so you can see you can actually enjoy. Never mind, that's another tip. Wind. It gets windier where, Preston?
Up at the top.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. So in, woo, that looks windy down there. So at Great Sand Dunes National Park, we had a pretty bad experience where the winds were over 40 miles an hour, and it was actually wrecking us. We were like the only people out there. We were in a pretty bad area.
At the time.
Bumblebee in a sandstorm. Come on, Bumblebee, you can do it. There you go. A little sand beat you. There you are. Different types of sand dunes will make different types of noises. Remember a couple of sand dunes in California made noises when you would push on the sand. You gotta get like this farting noise. If I can recreate it. I can't. Anyway, trust me, this sand dune makes a farting noise. So this is another tip. Some sand dunes will... Oh, there's the farting noise. What's the tip to this one?
Wax it.
Wax it's one.
And go down steeper sand.
Thank you. Steeper slopes plus this one you can see is loosely packed, so you will go slower on it. So another good tip would be to pick a dune that might have less people on it, such as, not that one, that one's a little more crowded. Then that one. The tallest dunes are not always the best dunes. Different slopes on different sides of some dunes will go as fast as the tall ones or even faster. It just depends on how well it's packed. Some of them we found you can go insanely fast on, even though they're not the tallest. Also, if you see a dune with vegetation, try not to run over it. You can see how well the plants hold the sand in place. Another tip is if you have animals, like a dog that you want to take out in the dunes, typically don't do it unless you have something for their feet. Their pads get pretty hot pretty quickly out here. We have 2 long-haired Chihuahuas, and we noticed that their feet get pretty hot real fast. So you could actually cause them to squeal in pain if they step on it. Right now in this particular dune, sand dune, it's not that hot. Sorry for the foot shot, that's kind of weird. One of the biggest tips I can give to you is if you have an umbrella, definitely bring it. We stayed out at several parks, Monahans, great sand dunes, a lot of parks. You can actually sit and get a blanket, sit under an umbrella if you have one. Now some dunes are windier than others. If you have an umbrella that has a base that you can fill with sand, that's a great idea. So definitely recommend that.
Another great tip would be to get up early. If you get up early, dune's not so hot, and you have unlimited parking. Plus you can enjoy a sunrise. How's the sand feel this morning?
Oh,
yeah, it's like freezing out here first thing in the morning.
There's our sun peaks though. It ain't gonna be so cold.
Excessive heat warning coming, and it's 6:30 a.m.
I didn't open my eyes this time. Hey, the mask worked.
what's your tip?
Bring a mask. Also, if you want, you can bring goggles just to stop the sand from getting in your eyes.
So we found a slope that is hard packed so that the sled will go faster. Again, you don't necessarily need to be on the highest dune as long as the sand is packed the right way.
We need to wax some more.
Okay, let's wax some more.
Nice landing.
Thank you.
Right in the middle. I was trying to turn. Oh.
A lot of wildlife out here. Right here, it's kind of cool. Look at it, crossing paths. It's crazy right here. There's like a highway. Check this out, all over the place. Tons and tons of tracks through here.
All four paws are together and it's really small. Yeah, look right there.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's really cool. It does look like a bunny. If anybody knows, let us know. What was he doing there? He's like, hey, I'm going crazy.
Look, maybe because there's a dog next to it.
There's a story here. We heard coyotes last night.
Yeah, the dog could have squared it down. The bunny hopped in a circle, then hopped away.
Interesting. Look, there's like several animals cutting across, plus humans.
He's so cool. There's a big story here. Oh, and then the millipede was walking off to the side.
He's like, let us out of here. A lizard. Oh, who's in there? So much better than last night?
Yeah.
So pro tip, Allison?
Definitely go in the morning. The sand is cold. The weather is much cooler
It's cold.
than in the evening.
It's just better.
Better with less people?
If you're out here by 6, one of the only people out here.
That's true. When I started this video, I didn't think it was going to be a tip video, but that's what it's turned into. So if you find these tips useful, great. If not, sorry. Hope to see you in the next video. See you later, road trippers.